With a sprawling 100,000 square foot warehouse on 5 acres in Hyderabad, Taiton stands as India's first architectural hardware solutions company rooted in South India. Taiton leads innovation in architectural hardware solutions and glass facades. From airports and luxury hotels to villas and commercial landmarks, the company is transforming skylines, redefining industry norms, and setting new benchmarks of excellence without ever deviating from ethics.
At Taiton, we are dedicated to crafting innovative and user-friendly architectural hardware.
We have very good innovative products in glass fittings, office partitions, profiles and everything. So we are more into innovative products.
We supply all kind of toughened glass like glass edge, wooden door hardwares, RFID locks, automatic sensor door, biometric digital locks, aluminum film profile partition, telescopic sliding system and railing system also.
We are serving architect and interior designer for world-class architectural products.
Since the inspection of the Taiton last 10 years, and this will be a long story which will be further continue with the same reputation of Taiton.
Our service and the quality makes the brand the most trusted one in Indian market.
Our glass facades offer a seamless blend of transparency and sophistication, creating a striking visual connection between the building's interior and exterior environments. Intelligently crafted for modern needs, our world-class product portfolio spans 9 specialized verticals: glass facade hardware, wooden and metal door hardware, wardrobes and slim partitions, luxury shower cubicles, RFID and digital locks, sliding folding systems, sliding door systems, and stainless steel and aluminum railings. 12 warehouses and showrooms in 32 cities across India make Taiton a pan-India company with growing footprints.
See, as a Taiton brand, we got the approval from the Airport Authority India, and railways we are doing the projects, and software companies we are doing in India.
Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Therefore, our dedicated quality testing team rigorously evaluates top products across multiple parameters to ensure durability, robustness, and impeccable finish. Precision and on-time delivery are not just goals, they are the hallmarks of our success.
Taiton is in hardware field number 1 because of Taiton follow 3 things. Number 1, quality and quantity and service. In South India, wherever they want, in one day we will deliver the material. In Hyderabad also, we are giving 1 hour, 2 hours in service. We are giving delivery. That's why everybody likes Taiton.
Taiton's stalls at ACE exhibitions held regularly attract high footfall and are among the most visited, featuring live demos and immersive product displays. They offer hands-on experience that keeps professionals coming back. At Taiton, we believe in growing together. We don't just build a business, we build partnerships. By empowering employees and trusted allies, we turn every relationship into a shared journey of growth.
See, any business to grow, only one thing, the client is the God. we give good service, price, good quality products, then automatically business will grow. Not only the clients, to our channel, like my dealers, my partners, my employees, all that together we are growing. So my partner will grow, automatically my company will grow.
From cutting-edge architectural solutions to beautifully crafted innovations, our wide product range is built with passion and purpose, rooted in trust, driven by values, and powered by people. Taiton is where ideas take shape, visions are built, and dreams become reality. Taiton, your one-stop destination.